Ketheka mutegeri wa Wero TV na ni wega nontu wa gutara kurumira nteto cietu cia thaa mugwanja inkugwate ugeni. Tukembereria ntoni cietu ni ati kiri mucemanio wa kuthikiria matita ma akari ma Athero Gaiti uri uraina akuruma njuri na nkijagia atongoria mangi mantura akari mama ni matitete banene nontu wa kurega kwambiriria kuthondekwa kwa barabara ya Maua kuthi Mwanka Athero Gaiti gukinya Mwanka Meru National Park ire yabangirwe milioni 49 mariuga gukinya kwa rais ntere inu gutithirito giciara matunda no mariku nontu barabara inu itiambiritwe gwakwa ni macokete matisa nontu bwa kwithirwa matena thoko imbega na nimethirito magikurukira mathina ma mengi nontu bwa kwaga thoko ni bare makuga kinyagia into ciao ni ikwiyewa ni macokete marire muntu megie TVET ya Athero Gaiti na Mount mangi.
Ni Maria Twambeto Arasta Karuiru ndi mugari wa Athero na omwe kiongozi wa bunge la mwananchi na virabi tuturite aru ari twe bunge la mwananchi tutirimanite tukibu ya tuteaniri nontu bwa proposed budget era turonere ritindene national parliament ekiarire cia mantu barabara ya Athero Maua gitura Athero Meru National Park ya imbesa milioni 49 njirera ya atumire president ya Athero ena ndeke 5 na ngari saitia manele na atu promise barabara eu by July ekethire bu ni akeyete kururanio politiki digire na ara kindani ende ibyo tukwenda kumenya okethira kilomita emwe bwithaswa na mbesa 75 million mbesa 49 million ciomba kubwithia antu anate no kya kwithira njire ni etumite president ya na ndeke 5 na ngari saitie manele kabakire akwo ya mbesa ikaria cia tethia wa Kenya barabangi nonto na atumirite over 100 million kweja kuthiulunga Meru yete kweya na njira ya Athero ni amia 49 million ko kabakire akweya mbesa iki akweya ndone budget tukarairu kinya milioni manele yu ya tutethia barabarene ko makata yetu tureja na kithirikari kuma obisi ya John Paul twetete Mwanka ki president ati kokio tweka proposed budget wes 49 million ni ekethira yeki budget ye kilukan tukwe mwe bande budget ye thira Athero yonthe tuketha twe na maandamano ya manene twito obisi nera ya kilisite president mawaire ya DCC na tore andamana every Wednesday na maandamano yubage akua ne yara yethera ya musetho yari thaira Jumatano ya kongoswa ne akuruba kwanjiria miaka 60 wita mbere Jumatano wenge ya kongoswa inge kuru cia kwanjiria miaka 70 ewenge ya kathiata youth
tware beka thirinde ndi umwe biacara ya thoko ya Athero batu twegire twarwa nyentara cietu tuturienja twamumura tuturiantaranja na nyeto thanduko twaito turiane nyinto bietu bionthe twaturianja tuturianja thai kabi kumaramara kabi kuijwa tute kubwithirwa ora twerirwe batuka tugure nyama thina nontu bwa wasiginya na tuwiga into twatuoga mataginya kwitha kwa antu nau nya nyumba nau nontu kabi kuijwa kwa wende batu inyoka laitha ntaraia twaturirie uti into biekuo mathina twina yo kou ukamata into batu atuiyairwa kinya kou thokone ende batu twina mathina tukuria thirikari tulaithirie nontu tutiri ya receipt turi ao ntuku tu ya kuitithua na tukeja tukaita lakini batu into bietu kabikumia
thoko ni turiarite sana ni untu na matoya wa kuthikira John Paul auke mathikone akiwa na tera contract Athero na thoko ni ambiritie wakwa tayari riu kuri batuririwe njane into bio kuri bakiwa lamine terine into bio atwabi maramara kabikuijwa nondo bitena security kwana kwa hivyo John Paul ingbetu akiario rongo kabisa umapio na ito digeza isi arete aga toya thoko milioni 50 nyetha John Paul na wire auke milioni 56 raisi ure 50 to dikiretie itori arisa non to adru yaga to dulumiwi yaga to meni yaga to te biongozi na ntuku imwe indawirara tukuingiara tuti viongozi athiru na itwite kuwa athiru yake ti Kenya
ontubugonie college mkamenyethia antu ni 2007 2008 na ya yani under economic stimulus program after post-election violence. It is among the 3 programs ira thirikari yonere ije national tuwa ukiria nyuma ya ndwera kucokia resources na mashinani kenda yumba ku revamp economy. Kuma mwaka yuyu 2008 nkwenda witikia ndene Kenya ni college TVET college ya Igembe South yonke taomba kurugurwa na buri onto bwa ipo sana ati MP bele ipindi karibu twetete miaka 20 college yewe taomba kujura nsoge nstumu president wetu sana na John Paul Kaire nonto ibare ya mweri juele mbere korongo karagatirarerua ni ati barabara kinya tuteri imbanje titwetera tweri mbai mweri juele contractor. Kwa hivyo mheshimiwa Ruto aroreke thia nteto isi au kinyila umenye we murongo na Kenya bakumenya we murongo na ukujira we murongo na tutetegeria kuendelea kaswa batwe president muzima kurungama mbere yantu abera mbai mweri jwa muwanja mbejete kurura college undareria nkena mira barabara ene.
Rais William Ruto na kinyite nthi ya South Korea kiri kigomano kia nthi cia Afrika ni bari ya mukiritwe ni rais wa nthi ino. Rais Ruto urothingatanite na nkatha ya bakethirwo akiruthagia karo na rais wa nthi ino nikenda mariria montu megie biashara na nkinyagia ngwataniro ya nthi ino ciociri.
This is your second time to visit Korea, I heard. You're right. I remember that you almost immediately after you.
Thank you. Hello, how are you? Así habari? Nzuri ya excellency. Korea? Iko. Habari yako? Nzuri sana. Salama. Hello, how are you? Very good. Habari? How are you? Very good. Habari yako? Hello, how are you? Habari? Habari? Hello, how are you? Habari yako? Hello, how are you? Very good. Hello, how are you guys? Very good. Habari? Hello, how are you?
Kanjo ya magavana irina ogwoya wa ati thirikari nene gikwenda gucokia rwangirwa ogima kiri thirikari inene kuma kiri thirikari cia matura nkuruki ni makomeneria thirikari nontu wa kurega kurekereria mbesha kwa mieri 3 iria ni cia mugana wa mbia bilioni 100 ni ri mwaka wa thirikari wa 2023-2024 uthiite kuthira. Akiaria na andiki mantu mukarigiti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri kiri Kanjo ya magavana niwe gavana Muthomi Njuki na urite KEMSA niki kumashukuma ni marandu na ni thirikari iregete kurekereria mbecha.
Governors, because I chair the health committee, to clarify some issues that have been very alive in the media for the last 3 days. For the last 3 days, we have seen a deliberate attempt by KEMSA, the national government and their proponents to try and paint the counties as having been unable to meet their debt obligation as far as drug supply are concerned in KEMSA. Allow me to state the following facts. For one, the counties usually pay their debts to KEMSA depending on the age of the debt. And it's also important to note that there is no county that usually buys from KEMSA upfront. It's always a debt, and therefore there's nothing wrong with having a debt. The problem is when the debt accumulates beyond the 90 days. On the issue of the debts that have accumulated beyond the 90 days, allow me to state the following. One, the national government through Treasury owes the 47 counties a total of just above 100 billion up to the end of the financial year, which is just a few days to the end of the financial year. And therefore, most of the counties have paid their salaries. They have met their basic obligations in the counties, including the daily utility bills. The biggest problem is debts owed to suppliers, which have not been met because of the fact that the Treasury owes the counties 3 months worth of disbursement. If the Treasury was giving counties their money as is stated in the law on the 15th of every month, I can assure you that there is no county that will be having any debt to KEMSA by the end of each month. And therefore, I urge the Treasury to release the funds for the counties, all that is owed to them. And I would ask the KEMSA to check their accounts at the end of the month when that money has been released. I think it is also important for me to note that we believe as Council of Governors is more than what meets the eye. There is a possibility that we are trying to propagate this narrative that the Council of Governors or the counties have been unable to manage the health sector. I think when I look at the way the argument is being pushed, and I may not necessarily have to say by who, I think there is a deliberate effort to taint counties as being unable to run the health sector, and therefore the push to bring it back to the national government.
Minister wa urutibira wa Mwenge niwe Moses Kuria na meneretie siasa cia mpatho iria ikuonekana ikiringwa Kirimara augite ontu uyu ugatongithia abanene montuma uthie na mbere icugoni nontu wa nkucanio cia atongoria ni baria akoria atongoria na nkinyagia a Kenya kwithirwa na ngwataniro na nikienda kweba siasa cia ndurijo.
So as we speak about all these 5 sectors, we want to strengthen the health care about 5.9. When I'm in a market somewhere in election, we want the county, all the 47 connectivity. The art of our PS is very clear development. This targets the youth. Kiambu, Raini, Ndwatwa.
Is from the county government.
And I find people from this county all over the country. They ask me when they hear some people here talking about, I don't know, seclusion, isolation. They ask me, are you people muna kichwa mzuri, munafikiria vizuri? I was in Bungoma for this Madaraka, and I met people from this county. And they told me they're very happy there. They don't want to be part of our parochial, inward-looking nonsense. They want to be part of Kenya because they have invested there. And so therefore, for the people, especially from this region, our salvation, our hope, our prosperity, our destiny in space of the country, integrating with the rest of the country, because the region cannot be strong if the nation is weak. And when I was going around the country, launching those industrial parks, for me it was an eye-opener that this meal of Kenya is going to be cooked by everyone. Wengine wataleta samaki, wengine walete livestock, wengine walete edible oil, wengine walete cashew nuts. From every corner of this country has got something to contribute to the meal that we are going to cook as a country. So therefore you cannot say this is a useful part of Kenya, this is a useless part of Kenya. By baking this cake, let us fight to bake a bigger cake that will be enough for everybody. We need all support as national government as we roll out social health insurance. or scheme, SHA and SHIF, which is going to be rolled out from the 1st of July. And so therefore, the county government are a very important contributor to that. I have noticed that quite a number of counties are rolling out their plans, which is extremely very good. You know, we started our administration within the challenges of very high cost of living, drought that was the worst in 40 years. And within a short, 2 years, under 2 years, we have turned around the curve, improved our agriculture, managed the cost of living, and you all agree that generally Kenya is on the right path. We are doing well almost on all areas. We are doing well in agriculture. You have seen our shilling has strengthened. We are now clear about our plan.
Mushie wa mwiti Mathinja kuma Mukothi Tharaka North nukuromba kugwatwa gushua mwana wa miaka 14 uwaurire ntuku ya gushoka skuru mweri muthiru. Kuririkana mwana uyo uria ni murutwa form 2 skuru ni Makori Girls aumire mushie ena gikino gikinene indi nyumani maringirwa thimu kuma skuru makiuragwa ni gitumikire ku mwana wao atashoka shukuru. Na urio wina umenyo uria unkiumba gutethereria kuonekana kwa mwana uyu na kurombwa aringe riboti kiri gituo kia polisi kiria kiri bakubi nawe.
Joka moyo baminga kuistiresi tochota kuma tariki 14 kuma tweko manyamanto amu
kamwali kalendeta kithomo
na jariba murito form 2 chukurunia Makori Girls akimenyekana ta wende na orankuru kimwana wa miaka 14 kuma nture ya Mukothi Tharaka North. Ara kuringana na jaria bani ati kuri tariki 14 mweri wa 5 mwankani uyu rira chukuru cia ruguragwa wende amwe na arito brabangi watagwithire batore nkare bathiete bo chukuru mwanka wa kangangi inde bakuthiria ntugo chire irio bawatire riboti ati wende atakinya chukuru.
Betania no emo yona ntuku yango wanje totukete no market ambera mami kwenda kuthiku kuibanga bangania no ntoba skuru ro na kiumagari oyo ngimuire skuru achoka aye kuibangania rokere toroka kwa no Mukothi manda muira charuni are iko korotho mutundu rio ndathire atonga areni na thi skuru
mwana athire skuru twathiria ntugu twathiria tariki 14 mwanka tariki 23 ile ndaringirwo thimu mwalimu na mwalimu akundingia thimu mbira tionete kamwari gakwa wende nkatha na ria tukiga tikoneka nganya mbindie thimu mwanga cukuru twathi twari na mwalimu mbira gacia chumia gucheria na mbendere gucheria na nkulithiretie muno na gatikoneka na arakari beri na thiaga kinyukia gwatana na tumwari tutungi to cukuru na pakugwatana wena chokera ritoka iri ono tujari na ntuyari na mwina na manto mengi muno marito kuba ya ukinyukia marito choka nyuma kairi kuchokea bangi kuma gwinde kuma mero kusogoria atimya ba mwana ya diangire
Ororo bwa mwana uragomba kuru akauga no muciari na ikitonto bakuri urakabara mwana gwao aombe kubamenyithia bakunda waruri mpyo banoke kinyamara giki
kathoma ya skuli etagwa Makori Girls na karali form 2 na weka mwali kalendeta kithomo na kamwali weka kinya chuma buye kometa kawirite muno ntu kyari sasa ka prepare to wega winkuromba in case ka kwithira kuri muntu umba kuga kimenya kana ku arakali ni nwandingire thimu namba yakwa ya thimu kwina 07 05 07 4630
mwena ogumbito ya chiari abakire mwana gwao
kwa bunda kubeteria kawatuka ko bwe baba kuombe kyo kubeteria choka nja wende uyo choke cukuru na bora bunde okenda ukaruthirwa bora bunde okenda
tutagongete tugichwaka wende tuwetu stress nyingi muno kinya cia akiri we twira tutetoro no ntwa wego twirara kinya tukuliongo tugo twichwaka atomba gutetekera tafadhali soka muji ano di cukuru direct kinya wale muko ya muji so idi cukuru direct wana principal no mweleze thina ciaku
Joka moyo mami ngakuistiresi tochote kuma tariki 14 kuma toiko manyamanto amu na mwankaza hino istiresi to enashio ni yona aba una nyato teko mama wende mami aroka ethiroli njonje mami
Nkiripotera Uru TV kumantere Chatharaka Bito Paul Ogokabithe
Katonoke banini otikathino ako
Solution Housing and Investment tukugwatugini kire open day na site viewing ya Wega Estate na Nyuki ntariki 8 June mwaka juju. Njoi gwatire plot ire kwenda aja Wega Estate are ugachonera kirima kia Mount Kenya na ibaribia Oldaiga. Nkuruki kuri na ukaribo kungana na barabara ithondeki bwega kuri na ndwego chestima riera thongi solar lighting stima na rojiro kungana. Wega Estate ni ndariki ya 10 kuma na Nyuki town. Njoi gwatire plot na magurija tikwinyeria mubukojo waku no uchonera financing ukurukira Solution Sacco ntubante tonguruki turingira dimu ukurukira 0722 374 186.
Mwezi huu wa Mei, changamka na StarTimes. Tunaleta joto na channels mpya na shows mpya kwa ajili yako. Chagua bouquet yako na uwe connected. Enjoy magic na adventure zaidi kwenye Kili Channel.
Oh man, this is gonna be awesome.
Ni sherehe zaidi kwa wapenzi wa sporti, wrestling, basketball na football.
A goal to send a message.
Lipia subscription yako uwe connected. Guswa hisia na drama na telenovela freshi, movie kali, documentaries, mziki na lifestyle channel. Changamka na StarTimes.
Let's get ready to
download StarTimes on app kwa burudani kemkem wakati wowote popote ulipo. StarTimes, furahia maisha kidijitali.
No twiro kithangikagwo ni mirimo mwanya mwanya na ndiuga kwa nkoro kairi. Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic turiaja nontu bwako tutiritaga murimo joshukari na mieri 3, high blood pressure na mieri 3, arthritis na mieri 3, low libido na ntuko 3 na thenewe kathira buru ironda bya kiu alanjisha mithemba yonthe thina ya mugongo kwaga mwana kiri antu akana arume na mirimo ingi kathumba aja miru obisi sheto iri kalkia akwina nduka inene ya Magunas ire yari uchumi na turugura kwambiria thaijire sharuki iri mwanka 10 muciogoro maoa turisa Macloch nyuma ya Ken Silva na no turiongere ntuko shionde cha Jumatatu na obisi sheto iruguraga kwambiria thaijire sharuki iri mwanka 10 muciogoro nkuruki gwatania na dagitari o munene mutaaramu Jane Mburu ntuko shionde cha Jumaine kwambiria thaijire na ndaika 50 aja kwa Wero TV kumenya mantu nkuruki araniria na dagitari o munene mutaaramu Jane Mburu gukurukira 0721 640 369 0721 640 369. Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic, tunatibu, Mungu anaponya.
Nilikutengenezea kitu.
From different worlds, come a trio with a shared destiny.
Nikulinde na ikuongoze.
Where will the fashion runway take them?
Mimi nitachunga maua yetu vizuri sana hadi wewe narudi.
Family business is everything.
The beauty and the beats. Shanga Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. on Maisha Magic Plus.
Arengi nkwate ogeni tukithie na mbere MCA wa Koronto Gachere Muthuri bamuna atongoria mangi kumake ikunditi cia kithirikari ni mariritie wongere kuwa ciana inini kugia anda cia tene maturani makuromba thirikari gutigira antu baria monde makuthukangia ciana inini kiwendo ni magucemania na watho ni baria nkuruki maromete aciari gutigira ciana ino ni gucoka skuru indiria ciarikia kubewa ciana.
Kwa kagita kana bengi bamyankete kunyire kuminena na bethirite bari na twana bamwe batongeria MC wa Koronto Gachere Muthuri mutongiro wa ikundi kia Rain 14 Mothers Foundation na Catherine Katha ule niwe mutongiro wa Refuge International ni bomirite kwa review be mapema kiriana baba biria bakuwa kugia kwa wana maturene na ndikuraira untu bakawithire
turithira kesi ire nyingi irethirirwa nja ingi ikathirirwa ugwa chivu tukathiraniria au ana baba bakanyamara
ni atongeria baraba kwa kumane na ana bakugiana borijane na mathina nkabo
woki sisi teenage pregnancy siwete kiengele kana buku kwithira kuna kuingia kwa murimo ya mukingo na mno nyathina cikaingia anja cietu
no ketha twana tutu nandi quality ya life yao inthiguru nontu mwana ucio riria agire mwana atiumba kumumenyera uria abatike the skuru atiumba kumuikia nandi tuketha twana tutu ingi turite inya street-ine kana tungi tukaga inya muntu ukubamenyera.
MCA Gachere na enyirite kinya kethira na baba ni bagire ana bakethira bagitejanirwa ni bachokwe skuru bete nambe na mathomo arabatigirire
kwa ibwega ana bari muno beje bathome nontu tiwega muntu gutwika atombire ku achieve kiroto kiawe nontu bakutheri mwana aerwe ana nekiawa kuma ke murungu ko atibati kwithira ari akas kiri maisha ja muntu
na kia gwika werune nande MCA Gachere arugana babaregia mauna bamwe bantu banja bara bakwithira bara kwi muno na ana bao
ta antu bara tukwirigira ibo bagaya ana beto mataro ja mega bau bamwe ni boy bakwithira bakiana beto ana kana kinya antu banja kwina a lot of incest irerio
muthiene na mugambo jumwa tongeria baba riromba mturoka gwatikana ikirite ana bobani niu bethe bakijukirweta garia riritora kiwatho kenda gutigira na mbeu ni kunyia jamiru
na mwana ore riria agire mwana na gutiragia intervention kaingi batithiria miaka eri batirona kana kangi koguo ketha wina a teenage mother wina twana twiri tuthatu nyambere mwana akinya miaka 19 kana miaka 20
national government bajukirie atua bara bakethira baikira ana pani niu kenda bomba kona kio na kenda tweria kunisia kesi cia teenage pregnancies
na ntu bombe kwithia bakiawa ndinje baraba kuitangugeja yu
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Southiment nkiripotera ndeto cia weru ria kwarietwa ni Mutungi Kare.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ni kurua irethiririe buria yomba gutethiriria antu akana ciari imingi ireringikite ni murimu wa nyimba muno ya nyonto akere murigitani umwe kumandini ya UK ni Wemirkin uria arariungite Meru kwa igitari ya ciumia ciiri na gucemania na arwaru ma kansa maria maombite kwithirwa magitoria murimu uyu na ugite antu akamamani magukurukira kagita agaka umu ni baria aritie nyuma ya kuriongo bicini ya Senator wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi uria ugite akethurwa akiona buria agatethiriria antu akamama runguru wa Kamashinani Foundation
na kwino batu kirithirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kwithira kiongera minyaja wa kirwangiro ogima muno mantunira nyimba enyonto ciekoro jenio ni megambo ya Wemirkin uria mutethire mantu babo mwingi kumande korone Ngeretha.
I feel like
Wemirkin akiri na Weru TV mwako emwe na gwete kwa bibiribira kalithine ne kaunti Meru nethiri twa ijanite nyonto cia mongwanano ire cije kene gichonko cha prosthetic breast ama mastitis bra kerekoro 150 indi baria batigi bo baingi nkorokie baria bai.
The patients that I have encountered in the last couple of weeks, some who are end of life, do not even have access to the basics, the basic requirements for living. They do not have access to food. The patients who have advanced disease, fungating tumours, they are alone. They are living in the village alone. They have no help. And if our campaign and our project was not visiting Meru, who knows where these ladies would be. So no, the answer to that question, the government are absolutely, they are completely underserving our breast cancer population from my experience here.
Bimerekin bagwatanirite nanana kiremi uredere musore jombira kudura kirona muri mojo nyimba ibetikanirite kudura bagwatanira kama Shinani Foundation kudura bekinyire kuruba bainge para bagitro nyonto shoronto muri mojo nyimba.
I guess I have been probably in some way shook a little bit in my heart from some of the things that I've seen in the last week. And it has taken me a lot of time to try to process what I've seen and the extent of the human suffering.
Tunaendoshokia nkatho sana nonto ba Merikin na antuba Kuma Island, especially the women. Papa tumbete kutoa prosthesis breast na mastectomy breast into be are worth approximately milioni nyanya na itombete kuingithia maisha ya ekroba ingi muno barabate balusete breast tio na there was a lot of impact Meru
na kiri uge bwawe sineto kontemero bona kadhuri murongi na ugete mulimo jo nyimba dene kontemero ijo kwanda jo kabiri no ritoboye goro mono nonto kinyanto byombe kana ikundi biribiti bekithirikare bitumba kodre bekyomba ntetweji pite kono tethire kumakirithirikare
onto kederwa odithire tu operation ogaito nyonto mwiri jura jo kambi jo jara kureta imbalance na kinya rujo kan develop njarene na kinya nonto bakodro te nambara nsipoeka okedro okiumyaga system uju ya mbakiboni iturali araizire kwena aje baba ingi sana vakansa bali nje chiao na ironda binene mono na bati kuona kinya mbeje chegwita kwa ironda kana kuthambu ironda bati kuona irio bya kure bati kuona kinya penikira so antu bali kwa bero akaine runene sana so kwena challenge nene mono na inchi eje organization yetu inchi na kama Shinani Foundation tukawatanira zaidi na tuchwachole baba ingi bo tutethia nikenda tukomba kinya kwithirwa twina palliative care ya ntubo bonde bagekwamwe tubakaba bena nurses bo bamenyera bakethira bena irio bakurugirwa na bakeja kwa ndawa chia kuthiria rwakai na chia ku make sure ibo sustain
ke reporter ya Ntoshoro TV kumaja kingina ngine kirene kemushusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera
Newega nonto wako na kanya kurumira ntito cietu shingira njira inkinyaniro ni thaa 1:30 kiogoro withirwe na muthenya mwega.